What's up, everyone? Today we have this. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a really big phone. I think 6.7 inches. Well, the biggest iPhone ever made, at least. There it is. Some information if you need it. I don't know what that is. Okay, yeah, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Has like the same specs as an iPhone 12 Pro, except it's bigger. This one's the gold color. It comes in 3 storage capacities, 128, 256, and 512. And there it is. This is the volume down button, volume up, the mute button, and the power button. It comes with a USB Type-C to Lightning. For some reason, Apple is not including the headphone or power adapter. Paid so much for the phone, and I don't even get a headphone or power brick that can plug it in. And now they only include 1 Apple sticker compared to the 2 that they used to include. And it comes with a SIM ejector tool. I already have like 100 of those. Well, a lot of them. Not 100, but you know what I mean, a lot. Since I unbox so many phones. And some of them aren't even on this channel. They're on an old one that's gone. Try searching it, you won't find it. I know, some of you may want to try searching it, but really, it's gone. But yeah, the thing is, I have a lot of those, SIM ejector tools. Alright. Here is really what the case. Here's the phone. It has a matte finish back. The Apple logo is a glossy finish. It has 3 cameras. They're said to be the best cameras put on an iPhone. It is quite thick, the camera module itself. They could have just gone with 1 camera, but they decided to do 3. Any phone could do well with 1 camera. Now I'm saying that because I own an iPhone 12 Pro. Well, I used to own one with 1 camera. iPhone SE. But now I have a 11 Pro. Well, it booted up. I'm going to go get the case for this phone. If you're still watching, this phone isn't actually for me. I'm unboxing this and my mom let me. It's her new phone. Okay, that fits pretty well. Good. Well, it fits good. Hopefully it won't fall off. Doesn't seem to be hugging the phone good enough. So I guess this will be temporary. But it's holding pretty well. There it is. Just gotta set it up, the usual stuff. Join a Wi-Fi network. Activate it, Just all that. Well, from then it's just the usual stuff. It's just another iPhone, to be honest, except it's really big and kind of heavy. I'm gonna try putting it in my pocket. Oh, I can feel the weight actually, compared to my regular phone. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.